Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best 20-gallon fish tanks that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Tetra 20-gallon aquarium kit. The outstanding feature of this best 20-gallon fish tank is the filter heater. It helps keep your pets safe at all times while providing a safe resting ground. Constructed from durable glass, it is scratch and rust resistant. The other materials tend to fade or break after some time, leading to unplanned repairs. Moreover, an LED hood comes in handy to deliver a natural daytime effect. Plus, the whisper filter gives a dependable and powerful water flow. It does this quietly and safely to enhance a smooth operation. We love the included artificial plants which add a natural ocean feel. At the same time, they provide the fish a hiding place to reduce stress and discomfort. Measuring 24.2 inches long by 12.4 inches wide by 16.7 inches tall, placing this item is super easy. It does not take too much space as it improves the room's decor and feel. Additional features include one artificial boxwood plant mat for you to add gravel to complete the look. At number 4. Aqueon LED Aquarium 20-gallon fish tank. The Aqueon fish tank brings a lovely water environment to life. Its low-profile hood contains a cool LED lighting to deliver a vibrant white color. Also, it makes the whole set stand out from the rest. With a Quiet Flow Pro power filter, it contains a red LED lighting which flashes when the time to change your cartridge arrives. That eliminates guesswork, which needs extra care and attention. What's more, the 100-watt preset heater keeps your unit's temperature at a consistent 78 degrees, suitable for most tropical fish. In addition, you can go through the setup guide to finish the installation quickly and easily. A water conditioner and stick-on thermometer let you know if the water is appropriate for your fish. You can monitor them more easily without hiring experts. At number 3. Tetra 20-gallon fish tank complete aquarium. The size of any fish tank matters a lot when it comes to marine life comfort. With this one from the Tetra company, it has an ideal measurement to accommodate multiple items. It measures 24.2 long by 12.4 wide by 16.7 high to fit in a variety of small to medium-sized locations. A bonus is the cool LED lighting system that transforms your accessory into a lovely style as each color changes. You can pause any color cycle for a customizable operation. The anemones sway with the filter current to provide your fish a hiding and relaxing place. Not only that, but also, the Tetra plants look more real as the color fusion LED glows. This best 20-gallon fish tank ensures you have an easy setup with a variety of accessories. For instance, you will get one aquarium hood, Tetra Whisper 20 filter, a all heater, a color fusion LED, 2 Wonderland plant multipacks, and more. At number 2. Tetra Aquarium Reptile Glass Kit. Why not improve marine life stay and comfortable with this aquarium? It comes with 2 dome lamps integrated into the screen above your unit. They help provide warmth for your fish to enjoy prime basking. No more worries about low temperatures, especially during the cold days. Another thing is the decorative filter cartridges to improve water quality. Also, the heating lamps and basking platform give your marine fiends better relaxation. This fish house measures 30 inches long by 12 inches wide by 12 inches long to provide easy installation. Moreover, the screen top and boxwood plant mat make the whole setting feel more authentic. You can set up the Repto filter to create a lovely basking spot and waterfall for 3-stage filtration. In addition, you get aqua-safe samples and Reptoman food stick for more user convenience. Let your reptile relax while eating the baby floating food in safe lighting. And finally at number 1. MarineLand Aquarium Kit Contour Glass with Rail Light. We understand keeping your fish safe is important to extend their life. That's why this best 20-gallon fish tank has an ergonomic design suitable for marine. Its stylish and sturdy finish can withstand excessive water pressure. You can now use a reliable item that needs minimal maintenance. Furthermore, the LED lighting system features moonlight and daylight settings. Pick one that suits the ambiance and gives your marine friend total relaxation. It is easy to use this item, thanks to the provided manual and a rail light. Place it on a location that you desire effortlessly without taking too much room. Moreover, a concealed 3-step filtration with right-size filter cartridge and adjustable flow pump. Ensure you adjust the pressure to prevent discomfort to your fish. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.